Hey guys, yeah, welcome to uh, the next tutorial on the Python series. For some time we have been learning about Python, and today we just want to look at some questions on the Python uh, LeetCode to reinforce our understanding of what we have learned. So this problem is called search insert position. You are given a sorted array and a target value, and you have to return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. So you may assume no duplicate, and so these are the examples given us. So here the target is 5 and the index of 5 is 2. Here the target is 2, but 2 is not there, but the appropriate position should be index in between 1 and 3, that is index 1. Here target is 7, 7 is not there, but the appropriate position should be after 6, since the list is a sorted array, the truth of that. So that should be in index 4. Here 0 is not there, but its position should be before 1, so that's index 0. So in order to be able to write that, we are given this search index and takes a list called nums of int, and the target int, we're to return int. So my approach to the problem is to first of all undo. There are many approaches where you can think about it. So first is to first of all check if the target is inside the list, using this case to handle this case. So if the target is in the list, just return the index of the target. That takes care of this. So I can now move on and look at the other cases. So the other cases are this case where it is in between the list, and this case where it is before the list. We can group this example 4 and example 2 in the same case. Example 3 is a different case. We have to handle it separately. So the reason is, if the target is within or before the sorted array, the position of the target will be the current position when we iterate through. This is what I mean. So if you take 1 now, you start iterating, you take 1, you compare 1 with 2. Is 1 greater than 2? No, because you know it is sorted, then that means 2, the position of 2 should be to the right of 1. Then you come to 3. Is 3 greater than 2? Immediately you encounter that the first occurrence that is greater than the target, then you have to stop the iteration and return the position of that first occurrence, so which in this case is the position of 3, which is 1. The same thing is applicable here. Is 1 greater than 0? Yes, then you have to stop, because you have encountered the first occurrence in the sorted array that is greater than 0, that is greater than the target. We know for sure that once we encounter the first occurrence in the sorted array that is greater than our target, then there's no way we can see our target to the right anymore. Since this is sorted, then it means that that position of the first occurrence of the element that is greater than our target must be the index of our target. So that's what this is under. So you use the range to be able to get the index at any point in time when we're going through the list. If the element at that position is greater than our target, we just return that index. But example 3, case 3, cannot be handled with this case. We have to handle case 3, example 3 differently. The reason is, if we use this for loop to handle this, by the time we iterate through, 1 is greater than 7, no. 3 is greater than 7, no. 5, no. 6, no. Then we have gotten to the end of the loop. So we have nothing to return. And we cannot put else here, because if we put else here, it's going to affect these cases 2 and 3. For instance, we say if it is greater than target, return else. It won't work. So we have to undo the case. Okay, when we have been able to successfully undo this and we are not able to catch the index, then it must necessarily be that the element is greater than all, the target is greater than all the elements in our sorted array. Then that means it must be at the end. So to be able to get the index of the end of our element will be the length. It just be equals to the length. It's very tricky. It took me some time, even though they categorized it as easy question. It took me a little while to be able to actually figure this out. And so when you run the code, you see it does run, and when you submit the code, and you see that it's accepted. So okay, so thank you for listening. I hope somebody will have benefited from this. See you in the next one. Thank you.